It looks like there is a way to get a 5G iPhone sooner, but thanks to Huawei. Speaking of Apple, we might get iPads and MacBooks with mini-LED displays as soon as next year, and we get additional confirmation from a more trusted source on the 5G Verizon Galaxy S10. I'm Jaime Rivera, reporting from San Francisco from Qualcomm's AI Day. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with product announcements, as Qualcomm has begun today with their AI Day, showing us actually more than AI. Sure, we did see their new AI 100 chip that's focused on servers and pretty much the cloud, but we also got to see the new 665 based on 11 nanometers, which is focused on bringing great imaging to the mid-tier. We're talking up to 48 megapixels in a camera. And then the 730 and 730G, which are actually 8 nanometer processors that are now focused on bringing better video and gaming experiences to that tier as well. Actually, in addition to that, obviously AI is tied to everything, so stay tuned. I can't wait to see more. You can learn more about it in the description. Now, for all 6 of you that ordered the Red Hydrogen 1 in titanium, the company's consolation, in addition to making you wait so long for you to get your phone, is that they're now shipping, and they're not going to charge you for shipping. I thought the product was dead. But regardless of the case, yeah, that's what's going to happen with this phone for now. Now, for those of you wondering exactly when we are getting that 5G Samsung Galaxy S10, we saw many rumors, but now we've got Evan Blass pretty much confirming everything. May 16th, set your calendars. Verizon, obviously, there are now some renders that show Verizon artwork in this. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. Now let's talk about Apple, as we hear that the company is switching their approach, and instead of adopting OLED technology for what we should expect for their Mac displays and iPads, it seems that mini-LED is going to be it. Ming Chi Kuo has just chimed in and said that we should expect a mini-LED iMac as soon as later this year, and that we could expect even iPads to adopt this technology. Obviously, I'm scrambling over the benefits of mini-LED right now. I'll keep you posted on that, but yeah, we should be getting this as the new display technology. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with, well, you know that iPhones are going to have a hard time adopting 5G because Intel is not at all ready. So now we hear that the company is probably working on a possibility to work with Huawei, and I'm trying to understand where this is headed. It could either be that Huawei is open to working with Apple and having them grab their belong 5,000, 5G chipset, or it could be that Apple is working with them, or whatever the case may be. But this is just funny given all the political fanfare that's going on with Huawei and obviously with Apple at the same time. So let us know in today's question. I mean, how important is it for you to have a 5G iPhone by the end of this year, for example, or next year? Because in my case, I think that if Apple doesn't jump on the 5G bandwagon, they're going to really, I don't know, it's going to really affect their market, given everything that's coming as soon as this year. But that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.